Deported Indian migrants is on their way to India. The C-17 aircraft carrying 205 Indian nationals departed from the San Antonio, Texas around 3 a.m. Indian Standard Time on Tuesday. US President Donald Trump won the recent election on the plank of cracking down on illegal immigration and has been vigorously pursuing this ever since he took office. Illegal immigrants are being deported by the plane load, including significantly on the military planes. The use of military planes for deportation is unusual in the United States. It is very expensive. Recently, Colombia had refused to let a military flight carrying deportees land, with President Gustavo Petro saying he would only accept civilian planes. The US usually carries out deportations on commercial charters that look like regular commercial planes and are operated by the US Custom and Immigration Enforcement, that is ICE. While these planes are still ferrying illegal immigrants out, they have received less attention than the huge imposing military C-17s. Reuters has calculated the comparative cost of the two planes. A recent military deportation flight to Guatemala, it said, likely cost at least $4,675 per migrant. This is more than 5 times the $853 cost of a one-way flight first-class ticket on American Airlines. About ICE flight, Reuters said acting ICE Director Tay Johnson, who told 2023 budget hearing deportation flight cost $17,000 per flight hour for 135 deportees and typically lasted 5 hours. This would translate to a cost of $630, assuming the charter company and not ICE pays the cost of the return flights. The estimated cost to operate C-17 military transport aircraft is $28,000 per hour. The same report said the deportation flight to India is the longest yet. So far, such flights have gone to Guatemala, Peru, Honduras, and Ecuador. A military plane had flown for Colombia too, but the country sent its own plane to